Welcome back to another video on this channel. I'm Jovi and today I'm going to show you how I made this beat.
Jovi Madness.
So I started off with this sample, and it's from a sample pack that I recently downloaded. I'll leave the link for that sample pack in the description, so please make sure you check that out. And this is the sample. And I threw some EQ and just rolled off some of the high ends and rolled off some of the low ones to make sure my drum patterns and the bass line just sneak through them, and this is how it looks. And I've thrown a bunch of reverb, and I've added a delay, and I've reduced the mix amount to about 25%. And for the intro part, I've just kept the sample as it is. And for the verse and hook part, I threw the sample into Slicex, and I chopped them to medium slicing, and I've chopped them individually, and I played this pattern. And this is how it sounds. And I've made this drum pattern. Let me go ahead and play that for you. And right now it sounds just like this, and it goes for the verse part. And in the verse part, I've added this sound. I'll play that in a second. Excuse me. And it's really groovy, so I used FL Keys. It's a stock plugin from FL Studio, and what I did was I just copied this chord progression and pasted it in Omnisphere, and used a a Rhodes sound from Omnisphere, and I've layered them for the bass and higher frequencies. And right now it sounds just like this. And it's repeat and it loops on just like that. And I've used the same chord progression and added I didn't load up the Omnisphere just because it sucks up my RAM, and I will not be able to record this video. So what I did was I just deleted and I bounced it to high quality WAV file, and I used that in this video. So, and I copied the same chord progression and pasted into a sound into Omnisphere, and I've reversed it, and it sounds just like this. And with the chord progression, and this is the verse part. And for the first verse, I've played this chop from the Slicex, and it sounds just like this. And I've thrown them into this along with the drum pattern, and this one it sounds just like this. And before playing you the verse part, I'll show you the bass. I've used expand, and I've used a stock preset. It's called soft finger bass, and it sounds just like this. I have played this pattern. So what I did was I just copied the chord progression and used the bass notes. This is it, and the verse sounds just like this. And it repeats. So for the chorus, this is the chorus, and for the chorus what I did was I added this. I showed you earlier, I added this pattern, and I kept the bass as well as everything, just like everything. And this is the same melody from this one, and I copied that into Omnisphere and used a KeyScape library to make this melody loop. And the preset was something named vinyl. And the chorus sounds just like this. I'll play this from here. I've used the reverse cymbal effect and this effect. I'll play that from here. And it repeats. And for the second verse, what I did was I added this. I made this loop from in this pattern from the Slicex, from the chopped samples, and I made this drum loop. And I kept the keys as well as this reverse sample and the melody, and it sounds just like this. And here comes the second chorus. And for the intro part, I added another bass line, and it's from Dune 2, and it's from a soft tight MK. It's from a stock bass patch, and I've played this sample reverse and this sample reverse, and I played this drum pattern. And I added a parametric EQ, and I rolled off all the highs from the sample, from the drum loop. And it sounds just like this. And I've uploaded this beat in the YouTube. Yeah, you can go ahead and check that out. I'll leave the link for that video in the description. So this is it, guys. This is how I made this beat, and I have an idea for the next few videos. I'm going to make a series. In that, I'll make a beat from the scratch, and I'll mix it, master it, and I'll make a beat video for that, and I'll show you how I render it, and I'll upload it into YouTube right from the scratch. And this is going to be a series, and if you want to see that series, hit like and comment down if you want to see that series. So this is it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's Jovi signing out. Peace.